Hello, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us may face, cracked heels. But worry not, because I have a nourishing and natural remedy to share with you. Let's explore the ingredients and steps to pamper your feet and bid farewell to cracked heels. First on our list is the luxurious Shea Butter. Shea Butter is a rich moisturizer, known for its emollient and healing properties. It's an excellent choice for rejuvenating dry and cracked skin. Add 2 tablespoons of shea butter to our healing bowl. Next up is the versatile and nourishing coconut oil. Coconut oil is not just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse for skincare. Its properties include deep hydration and antimicrobial benefits. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to our mixture. Completing our trio is the mighty tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is renowned for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's a fantastic addition to our remedy to promote healing. Add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil to the bowl. Now, let's mix these ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. Ensure a smooth and well-blended concoction, ready to provide the care your cracked heels deserve. To use this nourishing blend, start with clean and dry feet. Take a generous amount of the mixture and gently massage it onto your cracked heels. Pay extra attention to the affected areas, allowing the rich blend of shea butter, coconut oil, and tea tree oil to work its magic. For best results, do this before bedtime and wear socks to lock in the moisture overnight. Repeat regularly to pamper your feet and bid farewell to those cracked heels. There you have it, a natural remedy to treat and pamper your cracked heels. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more self-care content, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Wishing you happy and healthy feet. Until next time, take care of yourselves.